Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I'm coming at you with my new releases video for this week. I'm sorry it's up a little bit late. Let me know what you guys think of the lighting down below. I tried just like fiddling with it a little to see if I could get it a little bit better, brighter, like more accurate. So let me know in the comments like what you guys think, but from the little viewfinder, I think it looks pretty good. So we do have 3 collections coming out this Friday at noon Eastern. I did want to go over a couple of things before I get into these guys here, which are so pretty. I'm so excited. We do have some other things that I'm adding to the shop. Well, one other thing. So I did mention these last week and I did show them on Instagram and they are so cute. These are little journaling cards and I've been sending them out in orders starting if your order shipped I think a couple of days ago, but a lot of them went out today. So I think they'll look so cute. They're not an exact match to this pink with the birthday TN kit. This isn't, I had this one in here, but it's not an exact match, but I think that it like kind of goes. So I really like these. I did have them shipped in free in orders, like we got one, so you might get one of these in your order, but I'm also going to be putting them up if you want to purchase all 3 of them in a little set, so that will be up on Friday. Also wanted to mention that this is the card that's going out with all MoreSPC.com orders, and it's another journaling card with the fashion girl on it that is a bunny. Also this week I'm doing another one of those gift with purchases for the first 200 orders Friday at noon Eastern. That'll start, and this one is a little balloon, which is so cute. I love it so much. This does match the little sprinkles kit, which is adorable, but could be used really for anything because it's just a super cute little balloon. So those will be the first 200 orders on Scribble Prints Co. Friday at noon Eastern with new releases. Then I also wanted to show you guys, these are the current freebies that are going out with orders. So super cute. They have the little scribblers on them and they're all St. Patrick's Day themed. And then I wanted to show you guys on here, these were last week's, I think, and the week before, some of them, $3 Thursdays. And I just wanted to show you guys them in person just so you guys can kind of see the color. There's 2 more weeks worth of this color, so tomorrow's release and then the next week. And then I'll be switching to something different. I think I'm going to be doing nude next, which is really, really pretty. And I have some items that I've doodled myself that I'm really excited about that I might be doing a release. I might actually just add an extra release of the pink because I think it'd be really, really cute. Or I might start that with the nude. I haven't decided yet, but I'll let y'all know. Then we'll just get on to the new releases. So let's start first with the one that's on top, which is Posy. I actually wasn't going to do this collection. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm just getting pickier because I have so much exclusive art coming out. I mentioned on Instagram that we have 11 collections in production currently. That have exclusive art, and I have artists always working on more art, so very, very excited. I think next week there's exclusive art coming out. I think like every week there'll be something exclusive coming out besides this one. So I am super excited about this collection. Like after I finished it, I was like, yeah, that's cute. I did change the colors a little bit from the artist's like color picks just because I thought this looked really, really pretty and made it a little bit different, which I've been liking doing recently, is changing the colors up a little bit. So this is the freebie. I love it so much. It's so cute. I love the rose gold in here. I feel like we don't do enough kids with rose gold accents with the glitter. So if your deco on top, your girls on the bottom, the Celeste has a little candle with a little rose gold bow that's really cute. You have a little dress and then also a nail polish bottle. Then this is the functional page with your rose gold weekend banner, and then also you have in the background of the boxes, this might be a little bit too bright, you guys let me know. You have like a little bit of like a paint swatch pattern, which is cute. Then you have your half boxes page, your washi page, your labels and little things, and then again you have that paint swatch look in the background. Here are the full boxes. You have your little double box scene here. You have 2 girls on there as well. I love the navy. I've always loved navy, and I thought it was hilarious when I put the little dog in the bicycle. I was like literally laughing so hard. And I also changed her nail polish to like little rose gold nail polish. I thought that was really, really cute, and put Planner Girl on the little mug. And then I also have the like a little close up of the dog because I thought it was so cute. I was literally laughing so hard. And then you have that gorgeous rose gold as accents on your bottom washi as well as your date covers, and you have that little faux double washi look. I don't think I actually mentioned that I did format this washi so that if you wanted to like pull in your own washi, which like I have been doing in my spreads, you want to pull in a different washi, you can cut this along this line, still use this one, or I mean you could use either one really, but this one's formatted the same size as regular washi, most size washis. And then you could cut along this line and then use your own washi in there if you want to. And I formatted that just so that you kind of had the option. And then it's a little bit of a guide. Instead of having to try and cut a straight line, you have an exact straight line on there. And I won't be doing this on all collections with the little like double washi look, but I love the way it looks in my planner. I did do a little mock spread using some really cool sneaky inserts with the spring one, and I think it turned out so cute. I think it just like, because we don't really use, I know a lot of people don't use the deco in the bottom washi anymore. That was like a big thing for a while. But like it's just such a big block of the same pattern most of the time that I feel like this kind of breaks it up a little bit. But I'm not going to do it on all collections, but ones where I think it needs it, I will. So you have your sampler there. This is the mini kit. Mini kits usually do sell it the fastest, so I've been trying to stock more and more as per always. And then you have your bottom washi, which is just the floral pattern. And then you do have your selection of deco there, which I squeezed in a lot of deco on there. So that is the mini kit for Posy. Also kind of reformatting these little labels on the front again. So I had them like this, and there are a lot of collections that are going to be like that, but I think ultimately I love the look of this. Like, isn't that so cute with the little line that says mini kit? I think it's super chic, and I have that going on. So that is Posy. I do have the option if you want to add on glitter headers, so you have the colorful option, and then you have the rose gold option, which I know a lot of people are probably going to pick these up just because they're really gorgeous rose gold. I'll probably use the rose gold with this collection, but I usually do keep them both like in with like together just in case I change my mind. And then you do have an option if you want to add on fashion girls. I love this girl's hair. It's kind of like a rose gold. I pulled the same like hue from here and changed their dress colors, which I thought was really cool. I love this white dress. I think it just looks so chic. And then you have your personal washi if you want to add that on as well. So that is Posy. And again, these will all be available on Friday at noon Eastern. Then you have Relax, which is a really cute collection. Again, I wasn't going to do this one. Kirsten really was like rooting on this one to come to the shop. But when it comes to these collections, I usually have them out really fast. A lot of people ask me if I get the art early. I don't. I just like, if I wake up at like 4 o'clock and they're up, I just do them real quick. But I didn't have this one up, and I think a lot of people noticed. And then Kirsten was like, are you going to do it? And I'm like, I don't know. But I think it turned out really cute because it's a super neutral collection, which is like an anytime collection. Kind of like a relaxed, just like calm collection, which I feel like we don't have a lot of neutral ones. That's another reason why I decided to do this. And I did, again, change the colors of a couple of things and kind of change the hues. I love the colors of these. They're so pretty. Just a really nice neutral palette. Then you have your deco on top. You have your girls on the bottom. So you do have a little wine, a little nail polish, and then a little face mask. Kept the boxes very plain because I thought it would just be really chic with the like kind of like white wood paneling background on the weekend banner, half boxes, your pattern washi, your little things, and your labels, your ombre heart checklist, and then the gorgeous, gorgeous full boxes. I love these so much. I love this whole scene. I think it's so chic, so cute. I love this girl as well. And then I also had to do like, I don't know if you guys saw this art, but I had to do reconstructive foot surgery because she didn't have like a, it was like not there. She didn't have an ankle, so I had to do reconstructive foot surgery on this one, but it was so worth it. Then you have that wood paneling on the background here and a really nice neutral bottom washi. I thought this one was really nice and calm, so I went ahead and left it that way. So that is the ultimate kit for Relax, which I think turned out really, really cute. Then I do have that in a mini kit as well. I think next week we have, I think we have exclusive art, and I think I also might have a photo kit coming next week. I'm not sure. I do plan on restocking Bloom. I know a lot of you guys have asked, and I do plan to restock that soon. I did actually put up, I don't know how long it'll last, but I guess I'll mention it. I did count overstock of a couple of things. I did add remaining stock of December Mystery, which you guys loved, which makes me so happy. And then I also did restock a small restock, not restock, but like an overstock. Like once I like fill all of the orders with an item, I go back and I count what is left because I usually try and stock less of what I produce. And then if I have anything left over or extra, I do put it back into stock and shop. So I do have a couple of Bloom kits, the mini kits, the photo kits, along with the glitter headers. I don't know how long they'll last because you guys have been requesting for that to come back, but it will come back eventually. So if you don't get your hands on it, don't worry, I will get that back up soon. Then I have sprinkles, which is a really cute collection. I'm definitely going to save it for the perfect time. Probably if somebody has a birthday, I don't know. Because I know I've said a bunch of times that for Bennett's birthday, I already know what theme I'm going with, and I am going to have art custom commissioned for it because I feel like a lot of people are going to like it. And it's more of a boyish theme, but I really think that it could be used for a girl as well. So if you guys are looking for like another birthday theme, like you like this one or you're just like not into this one and you want to pick a different one, I will have one up. It'll probably be in like August, but I'm really excited for that. I'm probably going to have it commissioned in a month or so. So this is the collection. So there is another kit coming out with a similar color scheme and a similar setup in the future. I think like next week or the week after But I did kind of do something a little different with this, and I do have 8 colors in here, which is kind of cool. It's going to look a little different because you're used to the 4 color look. But as you can tell from the front here, there's 8 different colors on there, which I think is really fun. You can do a rainbow spread, which I've always wanted to do one. So I really want to use this kit. I have to find the perfect time. Then you have your deco on the top here. Love it so much. So cute. I love this setup here. And this is where the little die cut comes into play. These will also be listed along with the ones like I did last week. I did the little Marvelous planner, which you guys loved. And then you have little birthday scribblers on the bottom, which is so cute. Again, you have the 4 different colors, and I did make it so that these are like different colors, so you're not having the same color icons. And then the side is going to be like kind of red, so you have all red. If you did the Rainbow Weekly, you'd have the red on the side, and you have the red here, and the red on the habit trackers, the red glitter. So then I also did the 7 different colors for the throughout checklist. It's kind of a little bit like, not confusing, but like once you see it and you kind of look at it, you'll kind of get what I was going for. And then I did grays for all of the headers and all of the little things. And then I did make, instead of doing solid washi, I did do 2 sets of pattern washi, and the labels are still there. Then you also do have your 8 different colors for the heart checklist with the grid background. Super cute. And then here are the full boxes, which I love. It's just so pretty. I love the little glittery fork. So cute. Your extra full box, the rainbow date covers, and then the washi, which again I kept simple because there is going to be a lot going on in this spread, and I just think it's super cute, super unique. A lot of people messaged me saying this would be great for Pride Week or Pride Month, and I do have something probably better for that coming out soon, so keep your eyes peeled on that. You guys are going to be really excited. I love it so much. And then you do have an option for a mini kit. So similar setup here with all of the different colors. I love this so much. It's so cute. So definitely going to be using this kit sometime. I just have to find the perfect time to use it. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which I did break these up. So you have 4 of each. You did lose the mini appointment labels, but you do kind of gain in the header area, and it's nice because they're all kind of separated, so they're not going to be like a little bit of yellow and the purple, and then you have all different flags on the bottom. This is kind of just a cute one to pick up as well if you really want different color glitter headers. But I will be doing a summer multicolor with this glitter texture. You guys voted on it, and you guys chose to do this glitter texture for summer, which is so pretty. Then there's the option if you want to add on the personal washi, and then there are also options if you want to add on the little boys or the little girls. So that is everything for this week's releases. I hope you guys like them. I'm super pumped. I feel like on a roll recently. I don't know. I just feel like I'm in a really good place. I feel like design-wise, I'm in a really good place. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget the first 200 orders will receive one of these in their order on Friday at noon Eastern, but they will be available in the shop if you want to pick up extras. I've been loving using little die cuts in the corner, and I just think that these are just so stinking cute. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.